This is Cameron. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Excuse me. You guys look cute together.
Are you on live right now?
I'm feeling like your friend's number right now.
Nice.
Okay, Cameron, how was today?
It was good. All right, so I'm Cameron. I'm 23. I go to Cal State Long Beach. I'm an economics major. I'm in my last senior year, so.
Okay.
I'm here because I have trouble talking to new people. If it's someone I've never seen before, yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard because what do I say to this person? I don't know them. I don't want to be the one to bother them. Plus, I feel like I'm not so scared of like things like rejection. I'm just really scared of embarrassment. I really do not like being embarrassed.
Any last word before we start?
Let's fucking go.
One eternity later.
This is an odd place for so many squirrels to be, don't you think? Like, why would they congregate here? It's like a beach. Yeah. Yeah. Guess you never know. Damn.
Come on. What's going on, bro?
Dude, it's like, what the fuck do I say?
Bro,
Hey, I said something though.
You said something. It's better than if you had said nothing. The next time I would say try to say something quicker.
Yeah.
You know, instead of letting the silence like kind of like settle in and all of your thoughts like going crazy in your mind. And next time if you have to say one thing, say like, how are you doing today? Like make it about the other person instead of just making like a random comment on the surrounding. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But the good news is I think can only go up from here. So
yeah, that was level 1.
I think
Let's go to level 2, buddy. Hey guys, this music kind of sucks ass, don't you think? Doesn't it?
No, we like jazz.
You like jazz?
Yeah.
It's okay. What are you guys doing today?
We're on a date.
You guys are on a date right now?
Yeah.
You guys look cute together.
Thank you.
Of course. All right. Have a good one, guys.
It's very important that you own while you're talking to them.
It honestly felt kind of natural to me, like in the conversation, like it just felt like me, you know, like I wasn't even trying. If I was doing something like you're saying, it's not natural to me, so I would be trying, right? But the way I did it, I think
when you're just
maybe it's a crutch.
This is not what feels natural to you. This is what feels comfortable. You're just not used to make those strides.
It's
you
true.
know?
Damn it.
So
Okay.
I'm not interested in what is usual to you. I'm interested in what would be the most genuine expression that you're trying to express, you know?
Yeah. If I was a baller, I'd do something.
Okay, so you're a baller, bro.
Oh my god. Okay. Fuck. God damn it. This doesn't go well, I'm unsubbing. No, don't call me.
This is the moment where I tell you, you know, you have to embrace the anxiety and go despite it. Whatever happens, you're gonna feel like a baller afterwards.
Okay, Fosh. All right.
It was like a mix of different things.
Ruben, she doesn't speak English. She doesn't speak English.
You don't know that. She just spoke another language.
She's in an Uber. I fucked up.
It's okay. Those moments have happened to anyone.
Yeah.
Okay? So it's part of life. Sometimes you pee yourself.
Yeah.
It happens, you know?
I shat my pants. Yeah.
It's gonna be okay. Instead of trying to convince you that you can do this hard thing, you have to realize that this is just a human being. This is just a person. Like this is causing you anxiety. And you know, there's nothing I can say, there's nothing you can think about that's gonna remove that anxiety. You just have to like accept it. Kind of like when, you know, if you take a cold shower or if you walk into like the cold water, like you go swim in the cold water, there's nothing you can think of that's gonna make the water feel warm. You know,
Right.
you just have to jump in, you know?
I have a confession. She spoke English.
Shut the fuck up. You just make that up?
Yes, I did.
No way,
I did
bro.
not want to. She spoke it. She spoke perfect English. I was like, oh, I gotta fucking tell Ruben. She spoke perfect English. Yep.
The more you wait, the harder it's gonna be.
True. Fuck.
The reason you're so afraid is
Yeah.
because you probably see that person as like so different from you. She's a human being. Okay, she also didn't decide to be alive. She's trying to have a nice day like everyone else. She's also trying to be happy. She's also trying to connect with other human beings. It's okay, bro. We've all been there. This has happened to me. This has happened
That's
to
the
everyone.
last step, bro. It's just that wall of fire that like I have to get through it. I don't know. I can walk towards her, but how do I, you know what I mean? Like, how do I walk through that flame?
So just force yourself to just say, hi,
Yeah.
you're very cute. How are you? That's it. Just say that. Worst case, you say that and then you come back running. Like straight up. Like just say what you
Just
have to
do
say.
something. Excuse me. Hi.
Hi.
I find you kind of charming. Do you work here?
No, I work for. Yeah, I'm
Really?
just posting on our Snapchat. Sorry.
Oh no. Okay, for sure. Okay.
Thank you.
Of course. No, yeah, you look really charming. You're advertising the drip, I guess.
You're so sweet. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
I don't like jumping my own little.
Yeah, sorry.
Appreciate
Yeah.
it.
Oh, are you on live right now or something?
I'm like posting on Snapchat.
Okay.
Like live.
Okay.
I'm not on. No, you're not like, interrupting anything.
Okay, cool.
Thank you so
All right,
much.
for sure.
though.
Have a good one. It gets easier talking to them once, you know, when you bounce the ball out the wall and it bounces back at the same energy. I'm like, thank God.
And she
we
was
can
really nice.
She was nice, yeah. Which, I mean, thank God. Otherwise, I don't know, be scared to do it again.
I would give you two feedback. First thing is
Yeah.
don't dilute, you say, oh, you're kind of charming, remove the kind of. And the next thing is at the end, just always reach for what you want.
Okay.
Just play your cards.
Okay. I think that's the next step. Yeah, I think
But
you're
that
right
is
for
a
sure.
major improvement from the last two.
Fucking just
Yeah.
yeah.
It was good. Progress.
Good shit. Hey, are you talking to a friend right now?
Yeah.
Okay. What would you recommend? Like, I've never been here before.
Oh,
Or is
you
this
never-
like your first time?
Oh, really? Are you into like fruity drinks?
I could do fruity.
Their popular one, I believe, is or the mango and passion fruit. Sorry, she's in my ear.
Okay. Mango, passion fruit. Ooh, maybe something with strawberry.
If you like strawberry, sure. I don't know if they.
You seem flustered. Yeah, you don't work here. So.
Yeah, I'm not the worker.
Yeah. I mean, fuck.
I know. They said
There's too much here.
there is. That's what I call that.
I might not even get a drink.
Are you?
Honestly.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, I might just. Go somewhere else.
They're asking if your feelings of like a milk tea or.
Oh, are they on the phone right now?
Yeah. Sorry.
I'm feeling like your friend's number right now.
Oh.
Oh God, are they talking shit now?
Yeah.
Oh my God, is she seeing someone? Am I making a fool out of myself?
Yeah, she said she's seeing. I'm seeing her right now.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh crap. That's the only reason.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
Well,
damn. Now I'm not thirsty anymore.
whoa.
I'm kidding.
imagine-
I'm kidding. No, that's the reason why I came up. I just thought you were pretty.
Oh, well, thank you.
Sorry.
That's sweet. All right. Well.
Okay. See,
Stop tiptoeing around what you want.
okay.
Okay, it just makes you seem very, disingenuous. Like
The situation. Every time I do this, right, it's different. So I have to think, how am I gonna do it?
no,
And I know I should just do it, right? But always in my head, I think there's a right way to do it. I think.
if you realize that this is just a person, the situations don't matter.
Excuse me. I think you're really pretty.
Thank you.
Sure. My mind drew a blank.
Oh my
I was like, holy fuck.
when I heard the "How are you? You're so pretty," I was like,
oh, he's doing
a new Cameron.
But then I
She said thank you, and then you just left. I was like, what the fuck?
yeah.
I thought you were like when you say, "Hey, you're very beautiful,"
Yeah.
Don't do it like. I felt like right now you kind of did it a bit like as if I
Aggressively?
gave you like a homework.
Yeah.
But you should smile.
Yeah. So here's.
You know what I mean? Like this.
Oh my God! I don't want to think about this interaction. That was so fucking bad.
Why? It's fine,
It was
bro.
so fucking
What do you
bad.
mean? It's okay. It's better than it's progress.
Like what? Okay, so on one hand, I did what you're telling me to do, which is be honest. And on the other hand, is I absolutely fucking choked.
The form wasn't great. But
The
it's
form was not great at all.
The form will solve itself eventually. At least you're going in the right direction.
Excuse me. Sorry, did I scare you?
Sorry.
I thought you were pretty.
Oh my god, thanks.
Yeah, sir.
I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend. Nice. Glad I did it. Hey, we made a little bit of progress, I just have to keep doing it.
So let's all remember how it started. But I think he's right there. So tomorrow we're gonna meet for day 2, and boom.
It's a nice skateboard. I wanted to be social today. No, thank you.